Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the anchorages and the traffic separation on the marine radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings section at the left side on the screen, and in the display option you can find the fifth option, the anchorages and traffic separation, and just click to the white square icon. And now this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.